Next button is the pan or routing button. This allows you to pan each of the channels. This board that you guys have is set up for specifically a surround sound environment. However, because this is an environment where we only need stereo, it is set just to stereo. So your pan control, which is located to the right top of your screen here, it's located right there, allows you to change where the pan is. This one, I'm rotating it down to right 63, all the way over to left 63, or keep it in the center. Most of the times you're probably going to want it to stay in the center. That sends an equal amount of signal to both sides of your speakers if you're running stereo. And if you're running mono, it will send one side to either your recording or whatever else you have running out of the other side, and one to your mono system. This is your routing. This is mostly used again for the surround sound, but it allows you to send, instead of sending your signal from input channel 1 to just the stereo output, your red fader, you can send it to aux 1 directly, or bus 2, or bus 3, or bus 4, or bus 5, or bus 6, or bus 7, or bus 8. Not aux, I'm sorry, bus. You can send it to as individual buses, and then from those buses you can send it out to somewhere else. Note that the surround mode down here is stereo. The same for the next page for routing 1 through 17 and the stereo channels. Stereo in. Note that you can select all stereo, all bus, and all clear. Here is where you send your buses to the stereo. The buses are basically mixes that you can make from other channels that you can then send to your stereo. It's a way of almost having volume groups, which is very convenient at times. There's your levels, and each one of the buses are off. If you want to turn it on, just go down, press enter, and your bus would be on. Note that you can pan each of the buses. The next page is about surround mode. You can select stereo, 3-to-1, 5-to-1, or 6-to-1, which simply means the amount of speakers and then the subwoofer device. 3-to-1 has 3 speakers and a subwoofer device. 5-to-1 has 5 speakers and a subwoofer. 6-to-1 has 6 speakers and a subwoofer. And note that you can change where the position is if you're not using stereo. You can change the position of the person on here and have there be a simulated surround sound environment.